Today, I'll show you how to reset your Daikin AC in just a few simple steps, so it works like new again. Step 1. Show AC remote and indoor unit. First things first, for safety, turn off your AC using the remote, and also switch off the main power supply from the breaker or plug. This makes sure no electrical current is running while we reset. Step 2. Wait before reset. Show clock/timer. Once the power is off, wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. This gives the AC's internal memory time to clear out any glitches. Step 3. Using the remote to reset, hold the remote close to the camera. On most Daikin remotes, there's a small reset button, sometimes inside the battery compartment. You see it? Press and hold it for about 3 seconds until the display resets. Step 4. Power on and test. Show switching the AC back on. Now turn the main power back on, then use your remote to switch the AC on. Check if the error code or problem is gone. In most cases, boom, it's fixed. Extra tip: smiling, casual tone. If you still see the error code, your AC might need a deeper service or there could be a sensor issue. Check your user manual or call Daikin support for help. If this helped, give it a like, share it with friends who have a Daikin AC, and subscribe for more easy home fixes.